Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to receive money on PayPal. The first thing you need to take note of is you'll need a PayPal account in order to fully access and manage received funds. Confirming your email address associated with your PayPal account is also a necessary step. Then typically you'll need to send your PayPal associated email address or phone number to someone sending you money in order for them to use it in sending you the funds. Then after that, when they send the money, PayPal will notify you when you've received the money. Now there are some methods of receiving money. You have direct payments. This is when someone directly sends money to your PayPal account using your email address or mobile number, as we suggested earlier. And then there is also the PayPal.me option. On this official PayPal website, you can create a personalized PayPal.me link, which simplifies the process of receiving payments. You can then share this link to someone intending to send you money. Invoicing. If you're a seller, you can create and send invoices through PayPal, allowing customers to pay you directly. QR codes. PayPal also supports QR code payments, which are useful for in-person transactions. We hope all these tips were helpful, and if you found this video insightful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.